And here it is, Prospector 16-foot canoe basically done. There is one last thing to do, and that is I still need to add brass stem bands to the ends, but the yoke and the seats are in, the decks are in, all the varnish is in, and we are ready to deliver.
My name's Kira, and I've just completed the 6-month Master Craftsman course. I really just have always wanted to build things and to make things, and I love the idea of making something so well that it outlasts me. So I just eventually decided to take the plunge and do a furniture building course. I think Graham is a great tutor. He's always around to help out, and as well as Graham having Tim in the professional workshop, but also the other students who we always are sort of talking about what we're making and problem solving and showing each other what we're learning, and we learn off each other just as, well, not as much, but we learn off each other as well, it's quite a nice environment in the workshop. Skill-wise, I've definitely exceeded expectations. When I started, I didn't even know how to use a plane or chisels, and now I've just finished a magnificent desk that I'm very proud of, and can do dovetails and mortise and tenon and a whole range of jointing, and just the skills that I've learned it still blows my mind now that I've done so much in so little time. I have truly loved it. I've not enjoyed anything in my career to date. I've never enjoyed being at work so much, and I'm here 6 days a week and here 7 days a week when I can be, and I would be here all the time if I was allowed to be. I can't say enough how much this 6 months it's just been amazing. Loved it.